तपाईले उसको बारेमा किन सोध्नुभयो? Why do you ask about him? Why do you ask about him? तपाईले उसको बारेमा किन सोध्नुभयो? Why do you ask about him? मैले उहाँलाई भेट्नु छ. I have to meet him. I have to meet him. मैले उहाँलाई भेट्नु छ. I have to meet him. के तिमीले उसलाई विश्वास गर्छौ? Do you believe him? Do you believe him? के तिमीले उसलाई विश्वास गर्छौ? Do you believe him? म उसलाई विश्वास गर्छु. I believe him. I believe him. म उसलाई विश्वास गर्छु. I believe him. हामी भोलि कहाँ भेट्ने? Where will we meet tomorrow? Where will we meet tomorrow? हामी भोलि कहाँ भेट्ने? Where will we meet tomorrow? हामी भोलि बस पार्कमा भेट्नुपर्छ. We have to meet at the bus park tomorrow. We have to meet at the bus park tomorrow. हामी भोलि बस पार्कमा भेट्नुपर्छ. आफ्नो काम राम्ररी गर्नुस्. Do your job well. Do your job well. आफ्नो काम राम्ररी गर्नुस्. Do your job well. मैले उसलाई भेट्नुपर्छ. I must meet him. I must meet him. मैले उसलाई भेट्नुपर्छ. I must meet him. मेरो एउटा सपना थियो. I had a dream. I had a dream. मेरो एउटा सपना थियो. I had a dream. म अंग्रेजी भाषा सिक्ने छु. I will learn English language. I will learn English language. म अंग्रेजी भाषा सिक्ने छु. I will learn English language. अब धेरै ढिलो भइसकेको छ. It is too late now. It is too late now. अब धेरै ढिलो भइसकेको छ. It is too late now. धेरै टाढा नजानुस्. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. धेरै टाढा नजानुस्. Don't go too far. तिमीले मलाई भ्रममा पार्दैछौ. You are making me confused. You are making me confused. तिमीले मलाई भ्रममा पार्दैछौ. You are making me confused. म केही भन्न सक्दैन. I cannot say anything. I cannot say anything. म केही भन्न सक्दैन. I cannot say anything. आजको मौसम धेरै राम्रो थियो. Today's weather was very nice. Today's weather was very nice. आजको मौसम धेरै राम्रो थियो. Today's weather was very nice. उनी अझै आइपुगेकी छैनन्. She has not arrived yet. She has not arrived yet. उनी अझै आइपुगेकी छैनन्. She hasn't arrived yet. तपाईलाई कसरी थाहा भयो? How did you know? How did you know? तपाईलाई कसरी थाहा भयो? How did you know? किनकि उसले मलाई सबै कुरा भन्यो. Because he told me everything. Because he told me everything. किनभने उसले मलाई सबै कुरा भन्यो. Because he told me everything. उहाँलाई अहिले कस्तो छ? How is he right now? How is he right now? उहाँलाई अहिले कस्तो छ? How is he right now? उहाँ अझै सन्चो हुनु भएको छैन. He is still not well. He is still not well. उहाँ अझै सन्चो हुनु भएको छैन. He is still not well. उहाँलाई यो कसरी भयो? How did this happen to him? How did this happen to him? उहाँलाई यो कसरी भयो? How did this happen to him? अहिलेसम्म कसैलाई थाहा छैन. No one knows it. No one knows it. अहिलेसम्म कसैलाई थाहा छैन. No one knows it. अनि उहाँ को हो? And who is he? And who is he? अनि उहाँ को हो? And who is he? उहाँ उसको बुवा हो. He is his father. He is his father. उहाँ उसको बुवा हो. He is his father. के तिमीलाई थाहा छ उनीहरू कहाँ बस्छन्? Do you know where they live? Do you know where they live? के तिमीलाई थाहा छ उनीहरू कहाँ बस्छन्? Do you know where they live? उनीहरू पोखरामा बस्छन्. They live in पोखरा. They live in पोखरा. उनीहरू पोखरामा बस्छन्. They live in पोखरा. यस्तो कसलाई लाग्छ? Who thinks so? Who thinks so? यस्तो कसलाई लाग्छ? Who thinks so? मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन. I don't think so. I don't think so. मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन. I don't think so. तपाईं कहिले आउनुभयो? When did you come? When did you come? तपाईं कहिले आउनुभयो? When did you come? म गएको हप्ता आएको थिएँ. I came last week. I came last week. म गएको हप्ता आएको थिएँ. I came last week. तिम्रो भविष्यको योजना के छ? What is your future plans? What is your future plans? तिम्रो भविष्यको योजना के छ? What is your future plans? म एउटा व्यवसाय सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to start a business. I want to start a business. म एउटा व्यवसाय सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to start a business. यो कसको लागि हो? Who is this for? Who is this for? यो कसको लागि हो? Who is this for? यो सबैको लागि हो. This is for everyone. This is for everyone. यो सबैको लागि हो. This is for everyone. म सबै कुरा जान्न चाहन्छु. I want to know everything. I want to know everything. म सबै कुरा जान्न चाहन्छु. I want to know everything. म सधैँ तपाईको साथमा छु. I am always with you. I am always with you. म सधैँ तपाईको साथमा छु. I am always with you. म उहाँसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. म उहाँसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to him. उहाँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is he? Where is he? उहाँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is he?